Welcome back. So we got another package from our handy dandy merch shop. I ordered like so much stuff from them because it's good quality. This is not an ad. I'm just okay, hold on. I forgot that when it said yes. Okay, period. Damn, I ain't get no free stuff this time. I just left the promo, y'all. Like, hell, I ain't getting nothing free. Not one day I get free, nothing. You know, I'm gonna work with it. Anyways, got new stickers. Funny enough, they're like this because it's listed as labels. It's supposed to be 60. Funny enough, I've never counted how many labels they actually send when I order the roll like this. That's crazy. I think they're like off to the side. Why are they not centered? But we got Solo Jamaican Flag Pointless Talks stickers. I'm about to go put this on my car right now. Oh, yay. I need to go wash my car first. Pollen is taking it over. But this looks so good, and it's like matte. Hold on. Look it. I'm excited. Oh, I love this logo so much. Like, yes, I love this logo, but Jamaica where I come from, like, what? But yeah, so these are gonna be on the website for sale. So go on over to pointlesstalks.com. It's under the crafts tab because like that's just where all my shop stuff is. Well, the stuff that's shipping from me directly. I do have a shop Pointless for like merch, like, you know, actual apparel and things of that nature, and those are under the shop tab. So it's pointlesstalks.com/crafts. That's where you'll find the things that I'm going to be shipping. And then for merch and things that are like from the drop shipping is going to be pointlesstalks.com/shop. Or is it merch? Did I change it recently? I might have changed it. Either way, it's on the website. It's going to be shop Pointless, and then there's crafts, Pointless Creates. Something like that. I can look at it right now. But anyways, go on the website, click on all the tabs, read the bio, read the about me, and yeah, just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye.